Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove your Honda Accord rear view mirror. First, it's important to gather all your tools and understand the specific mounting style of your mirror. This preparation helps ensure a smooth process and prevents any damage. Always prioritize safety and take precautions to protect your windshield during the removal. For this task, you'll typically need a small flathead screwdriver or a specialized trim removal tool. These are essential for gently prying components without causing scratches. It's also a good idea to place a soft cloth or towel on your dashboard to catch any falling parts or protect surfaces. Always ensure your vehicle is off and secure. To begin, carefully locate the small tab or screw that secures the mirror to its base on the windshield. Using your chosen tool, gently pry or unscrew this retaining mechanism. Once loosened, the mirror usually slides upwards or downwards off its mounting button. Be patient and avoid excessive force to prevent breaking any plastic components. When you're ready to reinstall, first clean the windshield mounting button thoroughly to ensure a strong bond. Carefully align the mirror's bracket with the mounting button, ensuring it slides on smoothly. Once in place, re-engage the retaining tab or screw to secure it firmly. A properly installed mirror will not vibrate excessively while driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.